in terms of the majority of shows and films, now every other film or show, either it used to be in UP, Delhi, Rajasthan, Punjab. So kahin ek mujhe bhi fatigue aa raha tha dekh ke ki wo same setup, same menu. So that's why I just wanted to break that clutter.
Hi Sanya, hi Abhimanyu, hi Vivek sir. Welcome to Play.
Hi,
Thank you for having
Thank
us.
you so much.
Hi, congratulations on Meenakshi Sundareshwar. And Sanya and Abhimanyu, you have been getting great responses for your performance in the film. So how are you soaking in all the reactions you have been getting from all the way in these past 6-7 days?
It is overwhelming, but
is.
it's special at the same time. I think I can say that for both of us, that this film and the characters that we have played are very close to our hearts. Or when people are watching it and they can relate to it, and they're also falling in love with Meenakshi Sundareshwar and their relationship. It's a very special feeling. At the same time, it's overwhelming.
Yeah, to be able to give happiness or spread happiness has really felt amazing. The messages that we've got from all across the world, to impart that spread a little love at the end of your movie. I know when I watch movies and I feel happy at the end of it, how special it feels. So if we can make someone feel like that, it's just it's amazing.
And to be honest, we haven't seen so many romantic movies to be made in the past few years. So thank you for bringing that old world charm and everything. Yeah. So even while filming, did you even feel that, okay, we actually, like people say romance is like a comedy, but while filming, did you feel you were actually doing something different, to be honest?
While filming, different, to be very honest, I don't know. Matlab, the thing is, of course, when you talk about the genre, of late we are not making films in this genre, so to say, or but in terms of the world we were trying to create, matlab kahin ek idea tha ki we are in a way, in terms of the visuals, in terms of the language which we have kept for the film, kahin ek idea tha ki kuch what is happening right now in the current plot, we are trying to do something which is very personal to us. Yeah, अब वो लोगों के लिए different है, अच्छा है, fresh है, then it's a nice thing. But we tried to do something which was very personal and something which and something in the way which we really wanted to say and convey.
And was it a welcome break for you both as well, Sanya and Abhimanyu?
Definitely.
Yeah, we shot this in the pandemic, so just the fact of getting out of the house and going back to work was exciting. But especially these characters that we played and the time that we spent with Vivek and the rest of the team, it's been a wholesome and enriching experience, learning it from everyone. And also the most important part, everyone was really fun and really easy to work with. So that makes makes the daily dose of happiness quotient high. Yeah. And that's what it is at the end of the day, how to stay happy on an everyday basis.
Yeah. And in especially the wedding sequence, Man Kesar, you have put a lot of efforts in this Tamil wedding sequence look like. And it looks very beautiful, aesthetically shot, like people say nowadays. So if you would like to decode that whole sequence, because that I'm sure that wedding sequence especially has a separate fan base. So if you could decode, so what you would like to say about that?
Thank you so much, and thank you everyone who is loving the Man Kesar song.
Yeah, a lot of people are, and a lot of my friends are like, "Hum yahi dekhte rehte pura din YouTube."
So yeah, matlab the credit goes to, of course, choreographer, super talented Vijay Ganguly, my DOP Debojit Ray, and my editor Prashant, who edited it so well. And Aparna, of course, who's done the production design of our film, and Veera, who's done the costume, and every department, so to say, and of course the actors. So matlab the idea was, in terms of when we were approaching the wedding song, honestly speaking, that Yarodi, that song, if you'll say that Satya song which is there in the film, correct, that wedding song which is there, so Chalka Chalka, correct, it's one of my favorite songs ever. So wo ek, when we used to have discussions and stuff like that, so we always used to refer to that, not in terms of the choreography or the way it's been shot, just the kind of energy that song had and the way they had shot it and the overall experience which you get when you look at the song. So, and our intention was not to focus on choreography, so to say, in terms of steps पे ज़्यादा ध्यान ना देके, if we can create moments between both the characters. So that was our intention. And yeah, so that's how we approached it, to be very honest with you. So that we can focus on more on the moments rather than the dancing part of it. And I guess that has worked decently or maybe nicely, like because a bit people are liking it, you know.
We hope that it's played in a lot of weddings now that are coming in December, Jan. We're hoping ki har shadi mein baje.
Yeah.
And another aspect of the film is a symmetrical. Like in the first half, you see Sania Malhotra sitting near the corridor and peeping and looking at Abhimanyu during the wedding sequence. And in the second half, like she's sad and she's sitting at the same place and remembering those moments. And the second one, which I remember, is the train sequence, like when he's traveling to Bangalore and she stands outside the window and vice versa when he's returning. So how do you arrive at these mundane settings so effectively? Like it's very symmetrical. Like if you see the capturing, it's very beautiful and it has stayed on my mind.
First of all, thank you so much that you noticed all these things, because अच्छा लगता है जब आप effort डाल के इन सब चीजों पे ध्यान देते हो और कोई notice करता है. It really feels great. So yeah, it was all pre-planned, so to say. और personally मुझे मजा आता है कि how you, मतलब किसी भी location के अगर आप मायने अलग तरीके से दिखाते हैं, तो it's always beautiful. Like how, I mean, for example, like if I see a scene in which I mean आप कोई भी एक scene एक specific जगह पे देखते हैं, there is a different emotion, and then you come back to that same location again and you explore a different emotion to it. So कहीं ना कहीं वो जो एक circle form होता है, you know, एक motif बन जाता है, which kind of keeps coming again and again. So I don't know, I just love exploring that aspect. So that's why apart from these, there are a lot of other things which we have kept in the film की शुरुआत में आपको इस माहौल का ये पहलू दिखाया है, and after some time अभी थोड़े मायने बदले हुए हैं. तो लाइफ भी वैसी होती है ना, मतलब आज जैसे हम तीनों साथ बैठे हैं, हो सकता है 4 महीने बाद किसी और इंटरव्यू हो रहा होगा, शी समवेयर एल्स, आई एम समवेयर एल्स, ही समवेयर एल्स. सो देन एंड दैट्स द टाइम वी काइंड ऑफ थिंक अबाउट इट कि हाँ यार, मतलब 4 महीने पहले ऐसे ही सेटअप था, बट अभी कुछ और बात हो रही है, कुछ और है. So it kind of evokes some sort of an emotion in your head, and that's what I guess it did in the film as well.
Yeah, I think as actors also it was really helpful. Also the credit also goes to Debojit, our DOP, who has done a wonderful job. And Vivek and Debojit are like such a good team together. I think blocking ho gaya kisi scene ka, like you have mentioned that corridor scene where I see Sundar for the first time, and even in the song it is there. Like it's like Meenakshi's cozy corner, you know, like nobody knows about that place. It's her secret.
Safe house.
So that really helped like me as an actor also to, as he said, ki emotions explore karne ka mauka milta hai when you are like in that sort of a setup. So
it's always we look at it in a different way, so it's always interesting.
And talking about the criticism and all this, there have been several opinions about the film being made in the past few days. So coming down to that, what was the reason why you set the film in Madurai?
So the main reason, to be very honest with you, of late, what I was seeing, so to say, in terms of the majority of shows and films, now every other film or show, either it used to be in UP, Delhi, राजस्थान, पंजाब. सो कहीं एक मुझे भी फटीग आ रहा था देख के कि वो सेम सेटअप, सेम मेन्यू. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट वांटेड टू ब्रेक दैट क्लटर, बिकॉज कभी हम बोलते हैं ना कि यार फ्रेश कुछ चाहिए, ऑडियंस को फ्रेश कुछ देना है, तो ऑफ कोर्स कहानी फ्रेश होती है, लेकिन कहानी को कहाँ बेस्ड कर रहे हो ना, वो फर्स्ट स्टेप वहां से शुरू होता है कि आप स्टोरी कहाँ है. स्टोरी ऑफ कोर्स अपने आप में एक चीज होती है, लेकिन स्टोरी के साथ ये भी होता है कि आप इसको बेस्ड कहाँ कर रहे हैं. सेम लव स्टोरी यूपी में भी कही जा सकती है, राजस्थान में भी कही जा सकती है, बट एज अ मेकर मैं ऑडियंस को और क्या फ्रेशनेस दे सकता हूँ. सो फॉर मी, of course, apart from the story कहाँ की है, that is also really important. So that was the reason we chose कि okay, let's go to down south, you know, वहाँ पे स्टोरी को बेस करते हैं, because of late we have not seen films based in South India. So that was the main reason we decided to go to South India and based our film.
And what about the counterpoints people are talking about, like the reaction? I'm sure you must have read those reactions. What do you have to say about that?
That's okay. It's up to them. मतलब, I mean, it ठीक है. मतलब, I mean, honestly speaking, I'm at peace because this is how I wanted to make my film, and I managed to make it in the way I wanted. So I'm fine. मतलब now to each his own in a way, you know. अभी फिल्म ऑडियंस की हो चुकी है, तो अब किसी को कुछ अच्छी बात लग रही है, किसी को कुछ अच्छी बात कम लग रही है, किसी को कुछ अलग दिख रहा है. It's okay. It's absolutely fine. मतलब it's not affecting me, to be very honest with you.
And talking, I mean, Abhimanyu, this film has come out after 2 years of wait. So what do you have to say about after like waiting? I mean, people have been waiting. Mat ko dard nahi hota, like even people loved it, and now after 2 years they had to see you again on screen. So what do you have to say about the 2 years of patience people have been keeping? And I hope there's no another 2 years for another film.
I mean, even I've been patient for 2 years. But जैसे कहते हैं ना, देर आए दुरुस्त आए. You know, good things come to those who wait, and I've been waiting, and I'm glad this thing, which is a really good thing, has come to me. But yeah, you won't have to wait that long. I'll have a couple of releases early next year. So, but it's been an amazing journey, you know. Also, these 2 years have helped me explore, introspect within myself, and learn more about me. So maybe I can bring something new to the table when I come to act after this now.
And Sania, this is your very next release after Paglet, and people, and you have been exploring characters, you have been experimenting since Dangal. So what do you have to say about the whole your journey of experimenting? Like there is no repetition, like people say that.
She wanted to be a scientist first.
Yeah, naturally experimenting as an actor.
Yeah.
I think I got a good start with Dangal. So as an actor, we saw how amazing it is to do a character which is completely opposite to who you are. So वो मजा ही अलग था to do a film like Dangal, where we got to learn wrestling and completely transform ourselves. And that whole process was, I think, इतना मतलब मजा आ रहा था वो करने में as an actor. तो पहली फिल्म से ही बन गया था कि I will pick characters which are like different, and in which I will get an opportunity to maybe not look like myself, or completely like divorce myself from the character. तो वो मेरा एक point बन गया था mentally कि ये मैं अलग characters करूँगी. And I'm also being very lucky क्योंकि people are writing such good characters and scripts. So it's a combination of both. And as an actor, I think हमारा जॉब भी है टू नॉट अपनी तरह काम ना करना. वो भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाता है मतलब अपना जैसा इन कैरेक्टर्स दैट यू प्ले. बट इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ.
Ting ting ting
Ting ting ting.
Meenakshi Sundareshwar has a great background score and amazing music. Like people have been saying that it's one of the best albums that have come out in recent times. So which is your favorite songs? Like all three of you.
Man Kesar Kesar. Or actually First Kiss, the musical, the instrumental.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
The theme.
Yeah.
Theme na? First Kiss theme what?
First Kiss is a theme.
हाँ.
For me, I don't know. I still can't because
I like everything.
मतलब अभी भी मैं वो objective view से नहीं देख पाया हूँ, to be honest with you, to the whole album, because I still feel कि मतलब we were so involved. Me, Raj, Justin Prabhakaran has given the music, and Raj Shekhar has written the lyrics. So अभी भी वो मतलब वो collaboration हम लोगों का इतना पुख्ता था, अच्छा था, और whole process was so collaborative. So I'm still feels like I'm still involved in it. I'm not able to look at it objectively. Maybe शायद 6 महीने बाद I'll be able to tell you, you know, कि हाँ यार ये गाना सबसे अच्छा है. अभी I don't know.
मुझे सारे पसंद है. Even Looking at the Moon is a theme from our film, which is beautiful. It comes in the end credits. With that beautiful animation that
Jahan has done.
So, yeah.
Thank you so much. It was great talking to you all. It's all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.